Hi there, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about some really easy stamping and some layering to create a really super simple and a stunning card in the end. I'm featuring the Hello Sweetheart May 2020 sentiment stamp set from Unity Stamp Company. Lots of great sentiments in this kit to go with that beautiful floral image that's the featured image in the kit. I took that featured image and I stamped it as a border around the edge of my craft cardstock, and then stamped one of the featured images in the center, and then used those accent dots, which I love, and use those in around the sentiment as well. And I love how that turned out. I trimmed it down on some craft cardstock, and then I'm going to mat it on some black cardstock as well, just using some tape adhesive to glue it down. And then I'll just eyeball a trimming. You could get precise, but I'm just doing it by sight and using my paper trimmer to trim down a nice small bordered edge around my stamped image here. Once that was done, I die cut down a glitter cardstock that I had in my stash. It's from Die Cuts with a View. I love this glitter paper because it doesn't shed. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. The glitter doesn't fall off the paper. So I die cut that down with a scallop border rectangle, and then I'm just adding some foam adhesive to the back of my stamped panel. I always love a little bit of dimension with my cards, and I love how the foam adhesive adds that for me. I don't add a lot of accents or layers to my card, but the foam adhesive is what really creates the dimension that I'm looking for. So once that was adhered, I decided to add some clear Nuvo drops over those dots that I had stamped around my image. This is what I was thinking of when I created the stamp set. I want to be able to create the enamel dots that match the card. So you can pick any color of ink, and you can create your own Nuvo drops by adding just clear Nuvo drops over the top of what you stamped. And the last thing is I want to pull the gold into the craft cardstock that I have going on. So I'm using a Wink of Stella pen, and I'm just kind of painting on that gold accent to the floral image border that I have going on. So I'm just picking places that look pleasing to my eye. It may be different for you. You might pick different areas of the stamp to highlight, and that's good. That's beautiful, and I love how you can make this kind of individual and your own. So here I am just painting on a little bit of shine just to pull that gold from the glitter cardstock into my stamped image using the Wink of Stella gold pen. My Wink of Stella pen was really juicy. I don't know why it kept dropping a lot of ink, but I had to keep kind of pushing off some of that ink onto a scrap piece of paper just so it wouldn't bleed and drop so much ink onto my stamped image. There. So here we go. I filled in all the spots that I thought would really look great with a bit of gold accent. I did a little bit on the flowers, a little bit on the berries, a little bit on the floral image. I didn't want to fill it all in, but I love the pop of the shine that I got in the end. Here is the final card. Lots of fabulous, easy stamping going on to create a border around that sentiment. I love the Nuvo drops over the stamped dots to create the perfect accent to my sentiment. And I just love the whole overall design. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.